One of the biggest questions or comments that I get here on my channel is, how do I deal with my dark spots? How do I deal with my large pores, my texture, my fine lines and wrinkles? I think I found something that, well, I'm already absolutely loving this product, but I think I found something that you guys might also love as well. This is budget friendly. It is super duper concentrated. It pretty much tackles every single skincare issue that we can think of, all in one single product, so you don't have to have a really lengthy skincare routine. And probably one of the most exciting things about this product, we don't have to wait 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or months or years before we actually see results in our skin. I saw results after 1 use. Not only will this help make your pores look super, super tight and small, which in turn will help give you kind of like that glow, glass skin look to your skin. This will also help if you have any texture or any kind of bumpiness on your skin. It will just kind of flatten everything out. This is also really great if you have any fine lines or wrinkles. This is also fabulous if you deal with any acne or blemishes or maybe some hormonal acne on your skin. But if you're looking for that all-in-one serum that can pretty much do just about everything you're looking for a skincare product to do, other than obviously being your sunscreen, and of course it's not your moisturizer, you could pretty much just get away with only using this skincare product after you cleanse your face, and then perhaps put on your moisturizer and go to bed. And this skincare product is just as effective, if not better, than some of those 5, 10, 15 step skincare routines that we might do in the evening. So let me stop yapping and share with you what this all-in-one amazing product is. This is by the brand Dermalect Cosmeceuticals. This is their Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum. I actually really like the name of this because this product actually is beauty sleep in a bottle. Now, when I first purchased this, I thought, wow, if that's what the name of this is, it better really perform to be considered a beauty sleep in the bottle. But you guys, after using this just one time, use this in the evening, I had really impressive results. Now, of course, I've been using it for probably, I'd say, almost a month now, 3 weeks to a month in the evening. Now, I don't use it every single night. When I started out, I maybe used it 3 nights in a row, and then I started using it like every second night on a night that I was not using retinol. And the results for me just keep getting better and better. After the first time that I used this serum, the very next day, my pores looked super tight and smooth, and it was super glowy. You know, when your pores appear tighter, it does make your skin look a lot more glowy. This has a nice combination of glycolic acid. It also has L-ascorbic acid, the vitamin C, and it also has salicylic acid. This has been perfectly formulated with the combination of these ingredients and a bunch of other good stuff. But what I love is the glycolic acid is great. Perhaps you're dealing with flaky, say you use Retin-A, or maybe it's just really dry in the winter where you are and your face just feels really dried out. The glycolic acid that's in here is going to kind of eat off any of that dead skin on the surface, which will help give you that beautiful glow. Then, of course, this has the L-ascorbic acid, the vitamin C in it. Now, funny thing is, I typically cannot use the form of vitamin C that's L-ascorbic acid. There are a few different L-ascorbic acid serums that my skin can tolerate, but I still do always like to test out products that have the L-ascorbic acid that's, you know, in a blend like this that's properly formulated. And I get zero irritation from this, no breakouts or anything like that from this L-ascorbic acid. Now, this also has salicylic acid in it. If you are also dealing with any breakouts, or if you're dealing with any large pores or texture, salicylic acid is also great for that, because unlike the glycolic acid, the salicylic acid will also exfoliate on the surface, can also get deeper down into the pore. So maybe your pores are just looking a little stretched out and looking larger because you need something to chemically go in and kind of scoop them out, and it will in turn make your pores look like they're a lot smaller. I'm also noticing that my skin's looking a little bit brighter from using this, but when I look in one of my zoom in mirrors, I love how my pores, they just look super duper tight and smooth. Everything is just nice and smoothed out on my skin. This is a clear, kind of like a watery type texture, but it's a little bit more viscous than water, so it soaks into your skin really beautifully. But this also has aloe in it. It also has grapeseed extract. It has echinacea. This also has glycerin in it, which is nice and hydrating. It also has hyaluronic acid. This is just a beautiful, really comfortable serum. You don't need to use much at all. I use maybe 3 to 5 drops when I apply it. Then you can apply any of your other skincare products afterwards. Another great thing that I love about this product that I know a lot of you are going to be thrilled about is this isn't just for your face. You know, most of the skincare that I use on my face, I do like to bring it down my neck and chest. Some type of products that have glycolic and different acids acids, they're a little too potent for our neck and chest. This is quite a potent product. However, I haven't just been using it on my face. I've also been using it on my neck and on my chest. Now, I do have different neck creams that I do enjoy using, but I have not been using any of my other neck products because I've been wanting to just specifically test this Beauty Sleep Serum on my neck with the combination of their neck cream from this brand. I actually purchased this together as a kit because I wanted to see how this would work on the neck as well. And you guys, I am loving this on my neck also. I will apply this first on my neck and chest, wait a couple minutes, and then I will go in with their neck cream. This neck cream is not like a super thick, heavy neck cream. It just blends in really beautifully. It just soaks right into the skin, and it doesn't leave, you know, film or anything like that on it. So I will use their neck cream morning and evening, but only the Beauty Sleep Serum in the evenings. The neck cream not only has super hydrating and moisturizing ingredients, but it also has a little bit of exfoliating ingredients as well. So if you're dealing with any of that kind of dry, crepey, you know, textured looking skin on your neck, you might just enjoy using their neck cream by itself. But I personally have been having really great results using both of them on my neck. Let me know if you've tried anything else from the brand, anything else that you think is worth trying out. And if you've never tried it and you plan to try anything out, this is the product that I can highly, highly recommend. By the way, this video is not sponsored. I never do sponsored videos anyways, but I also purchased this with my own money, and I wanted to share it with you all because not only is it a little more budget friendly, but this is a product that pretty much does it all. So I'm always testing out new products and looking for things that could really make a visible difference in our skin that hopefully could work for everyone's skin type. I will leave all of this product information down below if you wanted to check this out. And like I said, you can get this product on its own, but I bought the beauty serum and the neck cream as a kit because it ended up being a lot more affordable that way. And if I can get a discount code or anything like that, I will also leave the discount information down below as well. If you like super fast and easy skincare routines and you don't want to hassle with a lot of steps, but you want to save money and you want to use really amazing products for your skin without using a ton of different steps, I'm gonna pop up another video up here that you might be interested in. That's a super duper fast and easy skincare routine and extremely affordable if you wanted to click on that here. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.